In this question, you have been asked to draw the structures of the given compounds. The first one is H2S2O7. This is disulfuric acid or pyrosulfuric acid. And the structures can be denoted as per the given diagram. From this diagram, it is clear the two sulfur atoms are connected by the SOS linkage, and each sulfur atoms are again containing one hydroxyl group and two doubly bonded oxygen atoms. They are colorless, oily liquid, and it is also a strong acid, a powerful dehydrating agent as well. They are commonly used in the manufacturing of sulfuric acid and as a dehydrating agent in chemical synthesis. This is produced by the dehydration of sulfuric acid. The second one is HClO3, which has the given structure, and from this diagram we could see that chlorine atom is the central atom, which is doubly bonded to two oxygen atoms and singly bonded to one hydroxyl group. These are colorless or slightly yellow colored liquid, and they are strong acid and a powerful oxidizing agent as well. They are used in various industrial applications, and this chloric acid is typically prepared by dissolving the chlorine dioxide in water.